In the 1970s, the U.S. government faced a reckoning. The Church Committee uncovered shocking abuses of power by the FBI and CIA, exposing decades of illegal surveillance, covert operations, and political sabotage. What did they find? After the Watergate scandal, public trust in the U.S. government was at an all-time low. The scandal had exposed deep-rooted corruption and deceit at the highest levels of power, leaving the American public disillusioned and demanding accountability. In 1975, Senator Frank Church led a Senate investigation into the FBI, CIA, and NSA to uncover abuses of power. This investigation was a monumental effort to restore faith in the government by ensuring transparency and justice. Dubbed the Church Committee, the investigation aimed to shine a light on how America's intelligence agencies had been used against its own citizens. The committee's work was crucial in revealing the extent of surveillance and covert operations that had violated civil liberties. The Church Committee uncovered startling programs that shocked the nation and revealed the extent of government overreach. The FBI's COINTELPRO targeted civil rights leaders like Martin Luther King Jr., using surveillance, blackmail, and other underhanded tactics. They employed disinformation campaigns to undermine activists, spreading false information to discredit their efforts. The CIA was no less shocking, with its own set of covert and often illegal activities. Programs like MKUltra experimented with mind control, often without the consent of the subjects, leading to severe ethical violations. The agency also orchestrated coups abroad, manipulated the press, and interfered in foreign governments. Additionally, they spied on U.S. citizens, violating their privacy and civil liberties. The NSA was also implicated for illegal wiretapping programs that monitored thousands of Americans under the guise of national security, raising concerns about the balance between security and freedom. The Church Committee hearings shocked the nation, revealing the extent of intelligence agency abuses and leading to significant reforms. The creation of the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, or FISA, marked a pivotal moment in American legislative history, and the establishment of the Senate Intelligence Committee aimed to limit the power of intelligence agencies, ensuring greater transparency and oversight. Yet the debate over privacy and security continues today, as new technologies and threats emerge. The Church Committee serves as a powerful reminder of the dangers of unchecked power and the ongoing need for vigilance in protecting civil liberties. The Church Committee revealed the dark side of intelligence work and sparked a national conversation about freedom and accountability. Do you think we've learned from these lessons? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to emgotv1 for more hidden truths from history.